হ্যাভ এ সিট প্লিজ। এখন তোমাদের ক্লাস 5-এর ইংলিশের অ্যাসেসমেন্ট হবে, রাইট? ডোন্ট ওয়ারি, টেক ইট ইজি, সব কিছু সহজ। কেমন? এটা পরীক্ষার মতো না, জাস্ট তুমি যা জানো, যেভাবে জানো সেভাবে বলবে এবং লিখবে। ওকে, সো টেক ইট ইজি। আর ইউ হ্যাপি? Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Oh, excellent. Good morning, Mariam. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. Okay, please introduce yourself.
My name is Mariam. I am 10. I study in class 5. My father's name is Monirul Islam. My mother's name is Toslima Akhtar. I have no brother and no sister. I live with my parents. My hobby is gardening. I want to be a doctor.
Excellent, excellent.
Lima is at home today. She didn't go to school because she is ill. She has a cough and sore throat. She also feels very warm because she has a fever.
Good morning, Meena. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay. Oh, I'm also good. Thank you. Meena, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. তোমার নিজের সম্পর্কে ইংলিশে কিছু বলো। Good morning, Tahmid. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also good. Thank you. Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Tahmid Afila. I'm 11 years old. I'm in class 5. I have one brother. His name is MJ Arham. My mother's name is Surya Mamta Siddhar. My father's name is Mayantika Rakan. My mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing and drawing. In my free time, I play football. I want to be a businessman.